Year 11 mock exam, question 6. This question is a real, what we call novel information question. You're given information that you are not aware of in the past. So that's, again, something that should not scare you. You should look at this and you should think, yes, recognize this is novel information. So we've given us two chemical equations in the extraction of titanium. You're not required to understand or know from the specification anything about the extraction of titanium. Suggest one hazard from stage 1. Well, let's look at stage 1, and we can see stage 1 forms titanium chloride and it forms 2 carbon monoxide. It also uses chlorine gas. There are a couple of different things you can have here, but the most obvious one is carbon monoxide, or CO, is, now be very careful what word you use here. Harmful is not enough. We need to actually say that it is actually going to cause death or damage. Harmful could just be a small itch or a rash. We need to say, and I'm going to use the word toxic. Could also use the word poisonous. I prefer to use the word toxic in this. You can actually go into details of what it does. That it bonds with hemoglobin, but that's really unnecessary in this response. You can just say toxic. Knowing that carbon monoxide is toxic is covered in the atmospheric chemistry topic in topic 9. So this is actually a paper 2 question. Water must be kept away from this reaction in stage 2. Give one reason why it could be hazardous if water comes into contact with sodium. Now, there are a few answers for this, and the answer that wasn't acceptable that a lot of people put down is sodium reacts vigorously with water. The word vigorously was thought not to be very descriptive. So vigorously could just be quick, but it doesn't really explain. What's the real danger here is that it's very hot. It's producing a lot of heat energy. So in the reaction, you can say that a lot of heat's produced and it forms a very either explosive or violent reaction. In the reaction, lots of heat is produced, okay, which then you can write as exothermic. That gets you the mark, saying it's exothermic. Saying just lots of heat gets produced